Yeah, heartbeat technology from Hauser is really a onboard verification tool and diagnostics tool that allows you to, in real time, test your meter and confirm that it works to the expectations of when it left the factory.
My name is Darren Whitford. I am the Flow Product Business Manager in the Midwest.
Yeah, my name is DeVries. I am Project Engineering Manager for Miller Mechanical Specialties.
The three things in the land of flow it's diagnostics, which is remedy-based, priority-based diagnostics. It is the ability to verify in situ without having to do things like catch and weighs or what we call wet calibrations to give you an idea has anything changed that impacts the accuracy of the device. And the third thing is monitoring. So things that can happen within your process that over time can lead to failures of equipment, not the flow meter, or loss of accuracy or failure of a device.
Where that can be really useful from a condition monitoring perspective would be on level applications and flow applications mostly.
If you're investing in instrumentation for measurement to improve process, what heartbeat technology brings to the table is a very quick way to find out is there something wrong with the measuring device that's telling me how fast, how much, how good is my product that we're trying to make.
It's designed to prevent you from having to do a real calibration where you pull that instrument out of line or off of the vessel and test it against a known standard.
I don't have to take covers off. I don't have to move wires. I don't have to go find a laptop someplace that has the right device descriptors to connect to it. How do you show and prove to operations that the device is working properly? It used to be pull it out and replace it, or do a catch and weigh, or bring in a cal rig. All that's time, lots and lots of time.
We've had one customer that used one of the condition monitoring factors to determine how much foam or when there was foam present within a fermentation tank. They were using this value in order to realize when they needed to spray in anti-foam into their tank. And by actually measuring the foam, they were able to reduce the amount of anti-foam to the tune of nearly $1 million. There are a couple other options out there for onboard verification, but to my knowledge, we're one of the only ones that actually have this third party attested, so you have a higher level of confidence.
What's different from us in the marketplace is, one, within the land of flow, it's the total test coverage. So you'll see things in our documentation, we'll talk about total test coverage of 92%, total test coverage of 94%. Think of that as a certainty level. We're 94% certain that we've caught anything that could be going wrong with the meter.
Yeah, we have a really educated sales team that helps you understand when and where to apply these in the first side. But then additionally, on the after sales support, we have a great team of factory trained service technicians that can even help you run these tests or train your team on how to do this in-house.
Hauser is an instrument company. What we've been building since 1953 are instruments. Our focus on innovation, our focus on products is only within the instrument world. If you look at the fit for purpose and fit for application, Hauser has the biggest breadth of products available to fit your application in your industry for the measurement that you need to make. It's not a one size fits all. The reason we have a lot to offer is because each one of them makes sense in a different application.
Miller Mechanical Specialties really focuses on having process experts, people with real world experience that can help marry our products that we know really well with your processes so that you get the best solution possible.